So today we're here at my cabinet shop, and usually we do a lot of rib cuts. Usually we put a piece of wood here on the table so when we do small rib cuts. But today we wanted to test something a little bit more fancy because we do it all the time. This is a small rib guy, and it has wheels. So the nice thing about it, you just need to measure your distance, whatever you, and this will help you so your pieces of wood come straight and they don't come out sideways. It's really useful. You can make them out of wood, but this is a lot fancier. Now it's easier to just buy one of those.
How do you adjust it?
So here has this adjustment where it locks it in here. So it moves that way. If you tight this once, it doesn't let it go nowhere, front or back. And this is your adjustment for the dimensions.
And what about the rollers? What are the rollers?
The rollers are so when you're cutting your piece of wood, guys, as you see right now, is hitting here. I'm gonna slide it back, and basically, if you don't want to measure, you can just put your rollers up there, and you tie it up. And that's if you're cutting a lot of pieces. You always want your pieces to come the same dimensions, so you need one of these guys if you're cutting a lot of cuts. And we're gonna show you how to use it. And the other thing that I forgot, the other thing that it comes with this. This is the screws from the bottom from the jig. They give you some extra ones that they get wear now with an Allen wrench, so it's always nice to have some extra parts with it. Ready? So we're gonna show you how to use it.